Welcome! Today we're diving into a delicious recipe for smoked salmon pizza. This dish is perfect for a light meal or an elegant appetizer, and it combines the rich flavors of smoked salmon with a creamy base and a crispy crust. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, I'll guide you through each step to make this gourmet pizza right at home. So, let's get cooking! Alright, let's get started on our smoked salmon pizza. First, we need 2¼ teaspoons of active dry yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar to help our dough rise. We'll mix that with 3/4 cup of warm water. For the dough itself, grab 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt, plus 1 tablespoon of olive oil to keep things nice and smooth. For our toppings, we've got 4 ounces of delicious smoked salmon. We'll mix 1 cup of softened cream cheese with 2 tablespoons of sour cream and a tablespoon of lemon juice for that creamy base. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of fresh dill and a tablespoon of capers for a burst of flavor, along with a small red onion, thinly sliced. And if you like, we can add some fresh arugula on top and a drizzle of olive oil to finish it off. Let's get cooking! Let's kick things off by preparing our dough. Start by taking a small bowl and adding 3/4 cup of warm water. It should be around 110 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for activating the yeast. To that, sprinkle in 2¼ teaspoons of active dry yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Give it a little stir and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's frothy on top. While that's working, in a larger bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt. Make a well in the center, and once the yeast mixture is ready, pour it in along with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Stir everything together until it forms a dough. Now transfer this dough to a floured surface and knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This is crucial for getting that nice texture in our crust. Next, we'll let our dough rise. After kneading, shape it into a ball and place it in a lightly oiled bowl. Cover the bowl with a damp cloth or plastic wrap to keep the moisture in. Find a warm spot in your kitchen, maybe near the oven, and let it rise for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. This is the time to prep your toppings or clean up your workspace. Just remember, the longer the dough sits, the better the flavor develops, so don't rush this step. While our dough is rising, it's time to preheat the oven. Set it to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a great temperature for baking pizza. If you have a pizza stone, place it in the oven to heat up as well. This will help achieve that crispy crust we all love. If you don't have a pizza stone, a baking sheet will work just fine. Just make sure it's ready to go when we're done with the dough. After our dough has risen beautifully, let's roll it out. Start by punching down the dough gently to release the air. Transfer it to a floured surface and use a rolling pin to stretch it out into a circle about 12 inches wide, or whatever shape you prefer. Aim for about 1/4 inch thick, and don't worry if it's not perfectly round. Handcrafted is always more fun. Once rolled out, place it on a piece of parchment paper, which will make transferring it to the oven much easier. Now we're ready to bake. Carefully remove your hot pizza stone or baking sheet from the oven. Using the parchment paper, slide the dough onto the stone or sheet. Bake it for about 10 to 12 minutes until it's golden brown and cooked through. Keep an eye on it, as ovens can vary. You want a nice, crispy crust. When it's ready, take it out and let it cool for a few minutes while we prepare our toppings. Time to assemble our delicious pizza. In a small bowl, mix together 1 cup of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. This will be our creamy base. Spread this mixture evenly over the cooled pizza crust. Now, let's layer on our 4 ounces of smoked salmon, followed by thinly sliced red onion and 1 tablespoon of capers. If you want a fresh touch, add some arugula on top. Finish it off with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of fresh dill for flavor. Slice it up and enjoy your homemade smoked salmon pizza. Lastly, here are some quick tips. First, when working with the dough, if it feels sticky, add a little extra flour. If it's too dry, a splash of water will help. For an extra crispy crust, consider pre-baking the dough for a few extra minutes before adding the toppings. When mixing the cream cheese, feel free to experiment. Adding herbs like garlic powder or chives can elevate the flavor. And remember, using high-quality smoked salmon makes a big difference. Go for the best you can find. If you want to add a personal touch, try different toppings like avocado or arugula for added freshness. Finally, don't forget to serve it with a nice glass of white wine or sparkling water for a delightful pairing. Enjoy your homemade smoked salmon pizza.